Hey guys, it's Jerry Metal Man Battaglia out here in Long Island, New York, and I'm rolling, patrolling, looking for some classic cars. Earlier today I found a 65 Caddy convertible that's not for sale, but there's still a few cars over here I want to show you guys. When I first started my YouTube channel, I filmed this car, and the person said it was not for sale and he's going to restore it. So I just spotted it before, so I came around the block again. Just wanted to share this with you guys. Check this out. You ready? '67 Firebird and a '68 Mustang, just sitting in the driveway for years, and I've been trying to buy these cars. So guys, if there's any cars out in your area, you know, I'm interested in buying some if you're in the tri-state area, and I'm always looking for classic cars. Keep a lookout for my videos. Like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, check out all my other videos. There's about 300 other videos on my YouTube channel of me finding classic cars. I've been in this industry for about 35 years, buying classic muscle and classic European cars. It's a hobby, and you know, grew up in the car industry, used to own a car dealership, retired 4 years ago, but now I just drive around looking for classic cars. I think it's the most awesome thing. I love the support you guys give me, and I really appreciate it. But hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification so you can see other videos that are coming up in the future. Every day I look for classic cars for about 4 to 5 hours a day. I drive around and I just enjoy the process of classic cars. But guys, thank you so much. Jerry Metal Man Battaglia, thanks for your support. I'll see you to a car show later. Have a great day. Bye bye.